How to recover deleted spam mail in Gmail? Have you ever accidentally deleted an important email that was mistakenly flagged as spam in Gmail? This can be frustrating, especially if the email was crucial. Let's break down what you can and cannot do to recover deleted spam mail. When Gmail flags an email as spam, it moves it to the spam folder. Here's the thing. Emails in the spam folder are automatically deleted after 30 days, just like those in the trash folder. However, the process of recovering emails from the spam folder is a bit different. If you realize the email was mistakenly marked as spam within the 30-day window, you can try to recover it. Here's how. Log into your Gmail account and navigate to the left side of the screen where you see a list of folders like Inbox, Sent, and more. Scroll down and click on More if you don't see the spam folder immediately. Once you find the spam folder, open it and look for the email you want to recover. Select the email by checking the box next to it, then click on the Move To icon at the top. From the drop-down menu, select Inbox or any other folder where you want to move the email. This will restore the email from the spam folder to your chosen folder. However, if the 30-day window has passed, recovering the email becomes much more challenging. Unfortunately, Gmail does not provide a way for individual users to recover emails that have been permanently deleted from the spam folder after this period. For administrators managing Google Workspace accounts, there are additional options, but these do not apply to personal Gmail accounts. Admins can use the Google Admin Console to restore data within 25 days after the initial 30-day period, but this does not include emails deleted from the spam folder. In summary, if you need to recover a deleted spam email, act quickly and check the spam folder within the 30-day window. After that, the email is likely gone for good.